Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add shipping cost on Shopify. Whether you're running an online store or managing product deliveries, setting up your shipping rates properly ensures your customers know exactly what to expect at checkout. First, you'll want to navigate to shopify.com and log in to your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in and viewing your Shopify homepage, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Here, click on Settings. This will open up your store's configuration options where you can manage everything from payments to shipping. Now that you're in the settings area, look at the left side menu again and click on shipping and delivery. This section is specifically designed for managing how your products get to your customers, including all the costs associated with that process. It's where you'll define different shipping zones and rates based on location and other factors. Within the shipping and delivery section, you'll see an option labeled shipping. Go ahead and click on general shipping rates. This is the hub where you can view and modify all your existing shipping configurations or create entirely new ones tailored to your business needs. Next, click on Add Rates. This action opens up a new window where you can start building a custom shipping rate from scratch. You'll begin by defining where this rate applies and how it should be calculated. The first thing you'll need to do is input a zone name. For example, you might type international if you're setting up rates for customers outside your home country. This helps you organize your shipping rates by geographic region, making it easier to manage multiple zones. After naming your zone, select the specific shipping zone from the available options. Shopify allows you to choose countries or regions that will fall under this particular rate, ensuring your international customers see the correct shipping cost at checkout. Now you'll see an option labeled Rate Type. Here you can choose between use flat rate or use carrier or app to calculate rates. A flat rate means you set one fixed price regardless of package weight or size, while carrier-calculated rates pull real-time pricing from shipping providers. Choose the option that best fits your business model. Next, create a custom rate name and add a custom delivery description if needed. The rate name is what customers will see at checkout, so make it clear and descriptive, like standard international shipping. The description can provide additional details about estimated delivery times or what the rate includes. Then input a price, for example, $10. This sets the baseline cost for shipping under this rate. It's important to calculate this carefully to ensure you're covering your actual shipping expenses without overcharging your customers. You also have the option to click Add Conditional Pricing. This feature lets you adjust the shipping cost based on specific conditions. You can choose between based on item weight and based on order price. This flexibility allows you to charge more for heavier packages or offer free shipping on larger orders. Let's try adding based on item weight as an example. Once you select this option, you'll need to input a minimum weight and maximum weight. For instance, you might set a range like 0 to 5 pounds for lighter packages. This ensures that customers with heavier items pay appropriately higher shipping costs. Once you've entered your weight parameters, click Done to confirm these conditions. Finally, at the top of the page, click Save. This action stores all your new shipping rate configurations and makes them live on your store. Your customers will now see these rates when they proceed to checkout, and the correct shipping cost will be automatically applied based on their location and order details. And there you have it. You've successfully set up shipping costs on Shopify with conditional pricing options. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.